In this video, I'll show you how to get money off a gift card to Cash App by adding your gift card balance to Cash App. By the way, if you run a business, Cash App probably isn't the best option for you, but I'll explain more about that later in the video. To begin, open the Cash App on your phone and tap the profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Once you're on the profile page, scroll down until you see the option labeled Linked Banks, then tap on it. On the next screen, choose Link New Debit Card. Gift cards like Visa gift cards usually work as debit cards, so this is the correct option to select. Tap Link New Debit Card again, and you'll be taken to the card details screen. Here, carefully enter the gift card number exactly as it appears on the card. Next, enter the expiration date listed on the card, followed by the zip code associated with the gift card. This zip code must match the one registered to the card, or Cash App may not accept it. After entering all the details, submit the information and wait while Cash App attempts to link the card. If the gift card is supported, it will be added as a debit card, allowing you to use the gift card balance through Cash App to send money, make payments, or transfer funds. Cash App is decent, but personally, I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, Airwallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what Cash App offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed Airwallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.